Oh, perfect. This is the elevator car I want. This is at the Dillon in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. Right across the street from Union Station. What do you guys think of this view? You can see the train station right out the window.
9th floor.
You can see the train right over there.
First floor.
Or it looks like we got somebody going up. Oh, never mind.
Ninth floor. First floor.
I hope you're able to see the numbering through the indicator lens well, because the sunlight through the window is severely reflecting off that screen. But anyways, although this is just a basic Otis Gen 2 elevator from 2018, but with this glass view, out into a beautiful clear blue sky, I think this is worth enough to film these elevators here, even though this is just a modern, basic, generic Otis elevator that I've seen too many. Anyways, I'm not gonna do the office elevators because, for one, I think it's locked and it's right near a desk, and second of all, I'm not gonna risk sneaking in and get... Are you going up? Okay. Yeah, these elevators also have a program for up peak mode, as you may not know. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna risk doing the office elevators. I'm sorry, guys. And look what that locomotive is right there. Look at that.
9th floor.
You know what? I'm gonna go down to 8 so we can get a better view.
Going down.
Door close one works. I love that. Because that pillar just obstructed the view. See? Look at that right there. That's the 30th anniversary NCDOT Heritage Unit you see right there. I have to get a view of that. This is quite an amazing view if you ask me. And there's like a balcony right there. You get an even better view. But like I said, there's a desk over there, so I am not gonna go out there and try to risk sneaking on. I'm not gonna do the main elevators. I know I said this already, but I'm just not gonna do it. You can come in.
Going down.
Are you going to 1?
Yes, please.
Keep the ceiling high.
First floor.
Have a wonderful rest of the day.
Going down.
As you can see, interesting enough that these floors, the 9th floor is where the lobby is, and these other floors are like the parking. But anyways, all right, well, there it goes. And I'm not gonna bother with the other elevator car. I wanted to get that one on the right mainly because it has a much better view. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.